Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to transfer money from Visa gift card to Cash App. It's important to understand that directly transferring funds from Visa gift card to Cash App can be tricky, and there's no guaranteed universally reliable method. There is no guaranteed universally reliable method. Here's a breakdown of the common approaches and their limitations. 1. You need to understand the challenges. You see, gift cards have gift card challenges or limitations. Visa gift cards are designed primarily for direct purchases, not for transfers to digital wallets. And many of these gift cards have restrictions on being used for a certain type of online transaction. Cash App systems are designed to work primarily with bank-linked debit cards. Gift cards can sometimes cause issues. Now, common approaches and their limitations. 1. Attempting to add the gift card directly. How do you attempt to add the gift card directly? Open the Cash App and go to the banking or wallet section. Sign add card or select actually add debit or credit card. Then enter your Visa gift card details like the card number, expiration date, CVV and zip code. Then try to add cash to your Cash App balance. One limitation for this is that the method often fails because Cash App may not recognize the card as a valid reloadable debit card. Some gift cards require registration with a name and address, which can cause mismatches. It's very important for you to know that before attempting this method, be sure that your gift card is registered online and that the address information is correct. You can also use a third-party service like PayPal. By adding the Visa gift card to your PayPal account, linking your PayPal account to Cash App, then transfer funds from the PayPal account to the Cash App. It's a good idea, right? But here are the limitations. This method adds an extra layer or step and may involve fees. It also requires you to have a PayPal account selling the gift card. It also requires you to have a PayPal account. Now, you can also sell the gift card. Use online platforms or local marketplace to sell your Visa gift card for cash. Once you have the cash, you can then add it to your Cash App. You'll likely receive less than the full value of your gift card, and it involves the risks associated with online transactions. So it's important for you to consider that gift card registration. If your Visa gift card allows registration, do so before attempting any transfers. This can improve the chances of it being accepted. Be aware of potential fees associated with any third-party services you use. Also, exercise caution when dealing with online transactions and avoid sharing your gift card information with untrusted sources. Now, financial transactions involve risks, so always proceed with caution and verify information for official sources.